Hi, my name is Manny Escamilla, and I'm the creator of Codex. So like many students who reside in South Modesto, I experienced poverty firsthand. While attending Modesto Junior College, I lived on Olivero Road. And during my time living there, having to take the bus to school, rain or shine, I experienced many things that were life-changing to me. And from that situation, living in a trailer park on what the Modesto Bee called the Devil Street, I was able to attend the best public university in America and possibly the world at the University of California, Berkeley. So how Codex began was during my time at UC Berkeley. Being there, I was privileged in being able to surround myself with amazing minds, people who actually cared to give back. And from there, I was exposed to computer science. I was able to surround myself with friends who had experienced programming, creating apps, websites, and with that, it encouraged me to dive into it as well. I wanted to know the ins and outs of technology and how it works. And from that, from the people that I surrounded myself around, from being exposed to their knowledge, I really wanted to give back in a way that was new and fresh.
My name is Jose Cebala. I'm with South Modesto Partnerships, a new nonprofit formed in South Modesto. Our vision is to create, grow, and partner with neighborhood, government, private, public sectors, all working together for the community. And we're excited about this Codex program that Manny Escamilla brought it to our attention. All the partners that have been involved, City Ministry Network, DataPath, private donors, neighborhood efforts, Manos Unidos, CBC, and the list can go on and on and on. Modesto City Schools, we're so grateful to make this program happen, and we're excited to see it grow in the future. Codex is something that is needed in our valley, and we're excited to continue to grow it. Thank you.
Hi, my name is James Bates, owner of DataPath, a local IT services company here in the Valley. And we are so proud to be a partner in the Codex program, which all came about through simple conversation and meeting at the Catalyst event put on by City Ministry Networks. This is the kind of organization and initiative that we are proud to be a sponsor of and work with such great partners, educating youth in technology and showing and painting ways of opportunity to be successful in the career field, potential college paths, and find a way to give back to our community.
So right now, the students in the Codex program, they're learning on the Khan Academy, and they're learning intro to HTML, intro to JavaScript. And these skills are going to be used to allow them to create web pages and apps. So at the conclusion of the Codex program, we hope that every student is able to create a hangman game, a game that is completely personalized by them with no help through interactions with interfaces such as the Khan Academy and code.org. They'll be using a program called Snap, and in this program, they're going to be dragging and dropping tiles as well as typing out code, so it's going to be a combination of both of the skills that they've learned thus far.
I try to find an image of Africa, so I just type image equals, and then I just type the image that I want in here. But since I don't really want to go through all the coding, like the HTML at the top, and find the exact address of the picture, I just go to Google and then just look for my image that I want.
What I'm learning is we're coding. We're making codes that has variables, and we need to learn about variables so we can use that as shortcuts. So I like this program because it makes me think better, and I love coding. Learning how to code will change my life as being an inventor working for Google, Apple. It'll change everything.
Today we've been learning about how to code. By the ways that we code, we have learned how to write it and type it ourselves without using any buttons. We learned how to make things move. We know how to create them, and I feel like this will help me out in the future because I'm probably thinking about working for Google when I get older, and they really need like more women to work for that.
Well, right now, what I'm learning is how to do like coloring tags because I'm trying to do my own webpage. So this part of the portion is like learning how to do tags, coloring the tags, coloring the headlines, and then what the whole thing is teaching me is more how to do, like how to program computers, how to program all sorts of stuff on it, how to make my own game, and then it's going to help me later on in the future with me wanting to be a vet. I want to be a vet, but what this is going to help me with is how to use x-rays and how to do all sorts of stuff.
So the skills that the students are learning today is a foundation for them to not only venture into the technological field, but also any other career field that they desire. Their ability to reason logically, their ability to reason systematically allows them to not only benefit working with computers, but can allow them to benefit in other fields such as the medical field, humanities, social science. But specifically, what they're learning today could allow them to build websites, apps that you have on your phone, software that you use to type documents, things like that. This program is laying a foundation for them to be able to create things like that and to be able to share it with others.